Hello everyone and welcome to Altcoins. Today we are going to have a technical analysis for Solana. We are going to identify key support and resistance levels along with some technical patterns. And also we are going to have a look at different kind of tools and indicators in order to identify the general trend. This is not a financial advice, it's for educational purpose only. This is Solana on 10-hour time frame using Renko chart on 10 ATR. By looking at the price action, we can see Solana managed to come from around $20 all the way up to $200. After that, it consolidated inside of a bull rectangle formation, managed to break out, come back and tested the previous level of resistance as support, and got the last push towards 270 US dollars. As discussed many times in the previous educational session and also on private Discord, pay attention to this pattern, to this harmonic pattern. We got an XA, B, C, and D. This is what is called a crab formation, a bearish crab formation. It's an extended pattern, and these kind of patterns tend to repeat over and over and over again. And that is the beauty of the Renko chart. You can see them very, very clearly, and you can identify them right away, and you can be very accurate with your entries. So let's have a look here. We got the point A, we got the point B on the Fibonacci extension level, and you can see that the pattern got the completion at around 1618. Okay, we also weak towards 270, but we got a strong rejection at around 1618. This is where we open a short position at around 240 US dollars. We open a short position at the beginning of the year on the private Discord, and we basically close all the position at around 137 US dollars. I'm going to explain to you why we open the position there because of the harmonic pattern, and we took the profit at around this level. Why this level? Because we got the point A, we got the point B on the Fibonacci retracement, and you can see we got strong rejection at around 0.618 at around 109 US dollars. Okay, we exit the position a little bit earlier at around 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. This is where we close all the position. We took all the profit out. So on this level, we got the point of resistance, we got the point of support. We created this downtrend channel. We got resistance, we got support of the downtrend channel, and we got on the previous structure a long time ago, we got the median of the channel here. So that way we know that this channel is the correct channel, and that indicates the flow of the price action. Okay, you can see that the channel is showing a downtrend pressure. This is a bearish channel. So let's analyze what is the story here, where we're finding at in this moment. After we hit this level, strong Fibonacci level, we got the high, we got the low, we got the higher high, we got the higher low, and we got another high. Okay, where we had another high, let's use a fib again. We got the point A, we got the point B. And you can see we have a strong rejection at around 0.786. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. At this level, the market rejected this area, okay, and it started to roll over. Not only that, on this whole movement, we created what is called an upside channel formation. Okay, you have here the pattern on the right, and you can see it very clearly. Okay, so what is happening here? It's also shown here. According to the book, this is what is called an ascending channel. This ascending channel, it's a pullback for another bearish continuation. We are finding ourselves at this level, which is this level. So therefore, we open a short position. We gave the signal on the private Discord, and we open a sell position on the Solana price right away. Our trade is going to look something like this. This is the entry point. We got the stop loss above the swing high, and we're planning again to ride the trend out towards the level of Fibonacci, as this previously discussed, at around 109, because this is the same level of the golden bucket. Okay, so we're expecting another retest on the same area. So the price action is expected to come lower and lower. It's going to roll over. Let's have a look at some indicators and let's see what is the story here. and how we can find more confluence to this breakdown of the ascending channel. We got resistance on MACD, we got another point of resistance, and then on this whole movement up, we got what is called a retest on the same previous level of resistance. Resistance, we got retest, okay? Also, we got the bearish MACD cross. That indicates, again, more downtrend continuation. Also, by looking at the histogram, you can see we got the high, on the price action. We got a kind of lower high on the histogram. Okay, we got another high on the price action, and we got another lower high on the histogram with another high on the price action. This is what is called a bearish divergence on the MACD histogram. Okay, it's a small detail here, but it tells us what we need to know. The momentum, it's losing the power. Okay, so what we got? We got the ascending channel inside of a bigger downtrend channel. So therefore, this whole movement up is just a pullback for another continuation to the downtrend scenario. And also we got a strong rejection on the MACD on the previous level of resistance, also with the histogram that is diverging to the downside. Okay, many confluences here. Let's see what else can we use. We're going to use a trend continuation indicator, and that is the Ichimoku. Let me remove the lines here. Okay, so this is the Ichimoku cloud. So what we got here, in this moment, we're expecting for the TK cross to happen. We're expecting a bearish TK cross. Also, the price action is breaching the cloud inside of a red cloud formation. This is another key insight that the price action is going to come lower, because when the price action is reaching the cloud, it's expected to come and visit the bottom of the channel, the bottom of the cloud, sorry. And not only that, let's have a look on conversion and baseline, and also lagging span. You can see that the lagging span right now, it's under the cloud. Okay, you can see the 26 period behind the price action, it's under the cloud. And therefore, this adds more confluence to the fact that the price action is bearish. Some people might say that right now it's just consolidation. Yes, you are right. It's also consolidation, but that consolidation, it's eventually will need to end, and the price action will need to make a decision. So based on these all confluences, based on all of these factors, there is a higher probability for the Solana price to come and visit the same level of support, the previous level of support, okay, at around 109 US dollars. This is our take profit target. We're going to close all the trade at around 109 US dollars, and from there we're going to see how the market is going to react. Again, we're looking for a double bottom formation, a head and shoulder formation, maybe a harmonic pattern, a breakdown on the indicator. We have a lot of tools that we can use into our advantage in order to assess and to be as accurate with our entry as well. So that is all for Solana. As I said, pay attention with the longs, because the longs are not in control right now. The price action is definitely bearish. We are in a bearish formation. We are in a bearish downtrend channel. We are in a breakdown. Ichimoku cloud is also giving bearish clues. So pay attention with the longs. And if you want to learn more about the Renko chart and how we can do professional technical analysis, how we can use indicators, how we can draw channels and use Fibonacci retracement and extensions, come and visit our Discord. Okay, we gave a lot of insights about there, about different coins, and also you can have access to trading signals. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak with you in the next one.